Welcome to Start Online. Start Online is Norwich Castle's arts and creativity programme for children and young people aged 8 to 16. My name is Alex Day, and today we will be meeting the artist Liv. Liv is a performance artist who has performed at Norwich Arts Centre. Formerly the leader of House of Days, Liv has played with gender identities on stage and celebrated being unique and individual. With years of experience, Liv has explored queer identities through lip syncing and bingo. Liv, it is a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you for having me. It's good to be here.
And of course, you look absolutely fabulous. How long did it take you to get dressed up?
Just 2.5 today, just 2.5 hours.
As it should do. I think that is the time it should all take us, really.
It's
for these
been a
sort of
while.
videos. Hasn't it? I think none of us have dressed up for weeks. Any excuse. Are you ready for our 5 quick fire questions?
I certainly am.
Question number 1. What is your favourite colour and why?
I love all the colours. I think you should use all of them. But my favourite of all time is green.
You almost settled with a rainbow there.
I did.
That would have been good. Question number 2. If you could only take one artwork with you to a desert island, what would it be and why?
You see, I was trying to think about one piece of artwork and I just couldn't. So I thought I would take a poetry book because I'm not sure whose. I'm not set yet. I've been kind of into romantic poets, but they use a lot of big words and purely because learning poems while you're on the deserted island keeps your mind sharp. And also the power of the words to keep you going while you're on the deserted island, I think would be.
I think that's a lovely suggestion. And the battery doesn't run out if you have a book.
And the battery doesn't run out on a real life book.
Any particular romantic poets you could recommend us, Liv?
Maybe I'm going to say Lord Byron.
Lord Byron. Great
just
choice.
Because he's buried like 2 miles over from where I live.
What a coincidence. Well, then you must take Lord Byron, just out of respect.
Yeah.
Question number 3. What is your earliest memory of art?
Earliest memory of art. Can I answer this about performance art in particular?
Absolutely.
Thank you. I think the earliest performance art that I ever saw was Marina Abramovic when she did The Artist is Present, where I can't remember for how long. I think it was 3 months. She just sat in a gallery in a chair, and people would just come and sit in front of her for 3 months, and she was just there for 3 months, just being present. And like the sheer scale of that, like the what kind of words am I looking for?
It's very engaging, isn't it? You can't take your eyes away from that stuff.
Yeah, like nothing is happening. She's just sitting there, but it is so engaging. And then, yeah.
And I believe Marina Abramovic actually was due to perform at the Royal Academy, but due to lockdown, that was closed off. But fingers crossed, that might happen later next year.
Oh, I hope so. Oh, I didn't know about that. That's really
fingers
sad.
are crossed. We'll go together.
Yeah.
Question number 4. Can you describe the art you make using one word?
Dramatique.
Beautiful. Question number 5. If someone has never made art before, tell us one reason they should start.
Okay. I'm kind of assuming people's reasons for not have dunning.
That's a new verb there.
Yeah. Kind of assuming people's reasons for not doing art as feeling like they don't have enough skill to do art. I think that's complete rubbish. I think everyone should do art. Making art is a language and everyone can and should speak it.
That's a beautiful answer. Thank you, Liv. And for every artist that we have on, we like to ask them a bonus question.
Ooh.
The bonus question today: if you could have any superpower, what would you have?
I've been thinking about this for a long time. And I'm stuck between teleportation and telepathy.
Mm.
I'm stuck between those.
I tell you what, you could have both,
Can I have?
and then you'd be the best superhero.
Yeah, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? Just
Ah,
go over and read minds really, really fast.
why settle for one?
Yeah.
Liv, well, that is absolutely all from me. Liv, it has been a pleasure speaking. Your answers have been fantastic, as have your eyebrows. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Have a lovely day.
You too.
See ya.
Bye.